Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you love luxury cars, futuristic design, and the newest releases, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today, we're bringing you something absolutely unbelievable. This is the brand new 2026 Cadillac CT5, and trust me, this might be the best value luxury performance sedan of the entire year. So let's dive straight into it. One look at this car and you instantly feel that Cadillac has stepped up its game. The premium black finish looks like liquid metal under the lights, the sleek aerodynamic body flows just like you see in a high-end concept car, and the front lighting signature is so sharp it almost looks alive. Cadillac took the elegant shape refined every line, and turned it into something that stands proudly next to Europe's biggest luxury sedans. From the side, the CT5 stretches out with a long sporty profile, a fastback-style roofline, and those stunning multi-spoke wheels. Everything feels intentional, premium, and extremely modern. And the rear, those thin LED taillights and the wide, powerful stance make it look like it's ready to take off even while standing still. Now, let's open the doors. This is where Cadillac surprises everyone. Step inside and you're greeted by ultra-premium black leather seats with fine stitching that wraps every inch of the cabin. The interior lighting is calm, futuristic, and clean. The dashboard curves smoothly with a massive digital display that brings navigation, performance, and entertainment into one high-tech space. Even from the back seats, the panoramic roof above gives the entire cabin a luxury lounge feel. And it isn't just about luxury, the CT5 packs performance, too. Cadillac engineered this machine to deliver smooth acceleration, refined handling, and a ride so quiet it feels like you're floating. It's the perfect mix of comfort and excitement, making long drives feel effortless while still giving you that sporty punch when you want it. You can tell Cadillac carefully balanced everything: premium build, modern tech, beautiful design, and strong performance, all without pushing the price into the crazy luxury territory. And that's why people are calling it the best value luxury performance sedan of 2026. This is a sedan built to stand out anywhere. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Cadillac CT5 and want more ultra-realistic automotive content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next upload. Drop your thoughts about this new CT5 in the comments. Is it the king of value luxury sedans? We'll see you in the next video.